India on Tuesday recorded 6 cases of mutant strain of COVID-19, which is 70% more transmissible and was first reported in the United Kingdom a few days ago. All 6 patients recently returned from Britain. As per a government statement, 3 samples in NIMHANS of Bangalore, 2 in CCMB, Hyderabad and 1 in NIV, Pune have been detected out of all the samples tested. Taking cognizance of the report of the new COVID-19 strain being detected in the country, the central government has put in place a proactive and preventive strategy to detect and contain the mutant variant. All the 6 infected people have been kept in single-room isolation in designated healthcare facilities by respective state government in the country. The close contacts of the infected ones have also been put under quarantine. In a statement, the Health Ministry said the situation is under careful watch and regular advice is being provided to the states for enhanced surveillance, containment, testing and dispatch of samples to INS-ACOG labs. Meanwhile, the government is doing a comprehensive contact tracing exercise for their co-travelers' family, among others. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.